Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the TV is on the exact HDMI input. Mismatched input is a common miss. Next, perform a full power reset. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds until it shuts off, then unplug the power for 10 seconds to clear the cache and reinitialize hardware. While it's unplugged, examine the HDMI cable ends and the console's HDMI port for bent pins or lint. Faulty contacts often cause a no-signal condition. Once the console is offline and cables inspected, swap in a verified HDMI cable. Cheaper or damaged wires fail intermittently. Try another HDMI port on the TV or a different monitor to isolate the display. If signal still fails, force the Xbox to boot in low-resolution mode by holding the power and eject buttons together until you hear a second beep. This resets video mode so the console can negotiate compatible resolutions with the display, preventing incompatible handshake issues. When the display comes up, check for and install any Xbox system updates. Outdated firmware can break HDMI handshakes. Make sure your TV firmware is current and temporarily disable features like HDMI CC, VRR, or HDR if they cause negotiation problems. These can confuse older TVs. If problems persist, prepare a USB offline update or perform a console reset as a last resort after backing up save.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.